Okay, hello again. So this is Steven, and I'm going to review my collaboration piece. I just wanted to remind you guys what theory that I identified with, which was constructivism. Um, and that theory identifies with the learning is a constructive process. And the students, as a reminder, and the students in my classroom construct, their problem-solving skills every day. And find their solutions to the problems with the math review that I do every single day, and the poster problems that I have them construct in class and discuss amongst themselves how to solve and explain their methods of solving it, whether it's right or wrong. If they can prove what they believe in and that they all agree upon, then that is, what I'm asking for is for them to work together to solve the problem, whether it's right or wrong. Okay, anyway, so we're looking at collaboration at my school. Um, you know, uh, my theory and what I do every day sort of goes along with my personal philosophy that students. I want to give the students the opportunity to discuss and create their own interpretations of the answers to the problems that I ask them. And in constructivism, that's what they're doing. They're constructing their responses. And in my school, the collaborative portion, all the special education teachers are all in collaborative classes. So I demonstrate collaboration every day when I go in and I collaborate with my generalist, whether it's lesson planning, working with the kids, doing the lessons on the board. We both team teach. It's the real collaborating that actually happens at my school, at least in my classes with my partners. So in demonstrating that, it's a good starting point for the kids to see how we collaborate with each other so that they learn how to discuss and to work together to solve their problems. They know what is expected of them in their participation, and they know that I listen to their conversations and remind them that the quietest group gets to share first. That way they get to talking more and discussing and doing what the Common Core is made them want to do, is to collaborate with each other. Not only do I encourage collaboration of my students, I show it every day. They know that they need to collaborate and discuss their math reviews every single day. And constructivism in my class. It starts in my classroom. Next year, I'm going to share it with my department and show them what kind of research I found on constructivism. Even though that's not what I was thinking I was doing as I was teaching and doing my poster problems, but as I figured out doing this research that it was the constructivist approach that I was doing in my classroom. And I'm going to suggest we create like a daily sort of schedule to work off that, because I think it really builds students' social skills and getting them to think critically and think creatively in the classroom. The research has helped me become more aware of my own practices again, and that's what I want to share with my colleagues. That's it. Don't really have much more to say. Besides that, my teaching philosophy is that I want to ensure collaboration between my students, their parents, and all support staff and educators. And I will be a resource to my teachers working with special needs in my classroom. And I require all my students, including those that are in the collaborative classes, to think creatively, have a positive attitude, and just have the willingness to try. So thank you for listening.